love our pets. They're our BFFs, the best listeners, trusted co-pilots, and our favorite playmates. But make no mistake, if you own pets, chances are you've had a pet accident in your home. Unfortunately, pet accidents can really affect the health and well-being of your home and your family. How serious can this be to your family's health? To answer that, we asked acclaimed veterinarian Dr. Quan Stewart to share his views on the subject.
Pet urine in carpets, rugs, and upholstery and other soft furnishings can cause noxious odors due to the ammonia contained in the urine, which can incite respiratory issues and aggravate other conditions such as asthma and allergies. On top of that, the pet urine can contain bacteria in the food particles that can be deposited around your home, which could result in illness. I certainly wouldn't want my kids playing on a carpet with pet urine due to these and other risks, just like I wouldn't want them playing on or around a toilet.
What are the facts about pet urine in carpets? If left untreated, pet urine penetrates carpet fibers down to the base and into the floor underneath. As it dries, the liquid evaporates, but urine crystals form, which cause the strong odor. Another factor is that the urine can leave behind bacteria as well. Many consumer products and professional services really just mask the odor, only to have it return later. But we have good news. Chem-Dry has a solution that really works. First, we assess whether there is any pet urine in your home so we can let you know the extent of the issue and determine how to best treat it. Then, we'll use our proprietary P.U.R.T process, which stands for Pet Urine Removal Treatment. P.U.R.T eliminates the odor at the source, breaking down and exploding urine crystals and removing them and the odors they cause for good. Using our hot carbonating extraction process, along with a sanitizer, we can also perform a deep clean down to the base of your carpets to eliminate the dirt, residue, and bacteria. In fact, we hired an independent lab to test these Chem-Dry processes. The lab found that P.U.R.T removes 99.9% of pet urine odors in carpets. And when combined with our hot carbonating extraction process and a sanitizer, Chem-Dry removes 99.2% of the bacteria from pet urine in carpets, leaving your home cleaner and healthier. What does Dr. Quan think of P.U.R.T?
We have a miniature schnauzer named Saki and 2 children in our home, and I certainly don't want those unhealthy elements lingering here. That's why we trusted Chem-Dry's P.U.R.T process in my home. It got out the odors and bacteria, which gives me peace of mind knowing how much time my little ones spend lying and playing on our carpets and couches. A healthy home is very important to us.
With Chem-Dry, you get a deeper, longer-lasting clean and a healthier, happier home. Chem-Dry. We clean for your health like no one else.